This is a 100 pack of poly mailers, and they measure 10 by 13 inches when closed. So this is what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the self-sealing tab, and it is also very strong adhesive. Now, this is 10 by 13, however, they have lots of different sizes to choose from. And this is in black, and it's also very strong. You see this? Love it. It also is weather resistant and very durable. So let me show you how it works. So this is perfect for a variety of items, whether you're shipping documents or clothing or accessories too. So after I put it in, just like that, I'm going to tear off this tab right here. It's very important because this is very sticky and has very good adhesive. So you want to make sure you only do it one time, because check this out. You see that? Stuck on there good. You don't have to worry about it opening up while it's in transport. So I definitely recommend this for your shipping needs. Perfect to put then your label right here, and definitely recommend this. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.